Makiria ya Akenya ngiri 64 ni marikitie kwamukira njanjo ya corona. Aya ari gatagati ka maabitha a ugima wa mwiri, maabitha a ugitiri, arutani hamwe nagi aria matanyitwo gukorwo makiamukira njanjo thiini wa ikereka ria mbere. Mihang'o ino igitanywo kunyitithio thinga ciumia ciukite. Thirikari yugite gutire njanjo ingi o yothe ihitukitio kuhuthika guuku bururi-ini kwa ihinda riri kurumirira riboti iria ikoretwo igitheremio cikonie njanjo muthemba wa Sputnik V kuuma bururi wa Russia.
And it comes with a set of stringent measures, and particularly regulatory measures, that essentially would involve: 1, authorization of whatever agent is being given EMA authorization; 2, tracking of batches of the commodity or medicine that comes in; 3, very stringent reporting to the pharmacovigilance platform through the PPB; 4, restrictions on advertising. And this touches on the question that you've asked. We have seen those adverts. Those adverts are false. There's no current pharmacy or hospital in the country that has a Sputnik V vaccine with them.
Ona kuhanora uguo, mbondi ya guthurima wagiriru no kinyaniru wa ndawa guuku bururi-ini ni yamukirite ihoya ria guthurima njanjo ino hamwe na mihirige ingi ya njanjo. Mitaratara iria yagiriire kurumirirwo igitanyo gucabithio niguo muingi gukorwo gitaukirwo.
Sputnik has been able to apply to the Pharmacy and Poisons Board for what is known as emergency market authorization. And the difference between this and full market authorization would mean that in full market authorization is much the same way you'd have, and I'll give you an example, paracetamol, which we call Panadol, which we call Maramoja, which has many names in the market, which we allow the distributors to sell and market to Kenyans.
Angikorwo njanjo ino hamwe na ingi ni cikuhitukio kuhuthika guuku bururi-ini, thirikari yugite hatire na gitumi o giothe gia kugia na wagagu kuona kuhitukira honge iria ciagiriire. Thirikari iri na uhoti wa gukurana kihumo na ukinyaniru wacio.
We'll be able to look at their data, look at the efficacy of the vaccine, look at the safety profile of the vaccine. Upon approval, ensure that we have the correct batch numbers submitted to us, the correct areas of distribution submitted and accredited by the Ministry of Health.
Maya mokite oriri kamiti ya bunge ikiuga wa mwiri yuritie ngwataniro irirugamirire maabitha ngurani aria mendekithitio kwamukira njanjo ino ikereka ria mbere guthondeka mutaratara ungihota gukurana aria marenda kwamukira njanjo ino niguo kuhe kanya a Kenya angi aria mangienda kwamukira njanjo ino kuona ihinda riayo ria kuhuthika no rirakuhiriria guthira.
I hope the ministry will give a communication so that by the end of the month then we can know how many teachers are willing to be vaccinated, because again it's voluntary, how many doctors and nurses, so that we don't block Kenyans who would like to have the vaccine not to access to the vaccine, and maybe we are waiting for people who are not willing.
Omothi Kenya ni yandikithitie arwaru 1,540 a homa ya corona na gukinyeria andu 124 777 aria mari na murimu uyu guku bururi-ini. Riri namba ya aria makuite yongererekete na andu 18 na gukinyeria andu 266 aria makuite kumana na murimu uyu guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.
Movement is a challenge for the program.